Look here. Look here now. Current sensitivity now. Current sensitivity means theta by I. Simply current passing, coil is deflect. Sensitivity means reaction. Current passing, coil is deflecting. Current sensitivity defined as current passing, coil is deflect. Simply current sensitivity denoted by theta by I. In MCZ, I formula is C by BAN into theta. According to this formula, theta by I equal to, here other side, BAN by C. This is the formula for current sensitivity. What is the formula for current sensitivity? BAN by C. Current sensitivity means current passing through the coil, then coil is deflect. In the situation, current sensitivity more to increase the magnetic field, to increase the area of the coil, to increase the number of turns in the coil, decrease the couple by twist. Look here. Current sensitivity increase according to formula. Magnetic field increase, area of the coil increase, number of turns in the coil increase, current sensitivity increased by couple twisting is decreased. According to formula this is right, but according to generally area increase, what happens? The size increase. నాలాగా అయిపోతారు. మరి మనం ఫాస్ట్గా పరిగెత్తగలమా? లే. అంటే సింపుల్గా కరెంట్ సెన్సిటివిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్లీ ఓన్లీ టు ఇంక్రీజ్ ద మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. దట్స్ వై ఇన్ ద MCZ radial field is applied. That means very strong field is applied. That will be occur by using curved shaped magnets. That is also called as horseshoe magnet. Okay. Here current sensitivity increase by using magnetic field increase. Next now, voltage sensitivity. Write running notes all of you. Very important. Voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity means theta by V. Here voltage applied, coil deflect. This right, theta by Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Here R is nothing but the resistance of the galvanometer. Theta by I. We know that I formula C theta by BAN. What is the theta by I formula? BAN by CG. This is the voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity increase by using magnetic field increase, area increase, number of turns increase, couple per twist decrease, galvanometer resistance decrease. Simply voltage sensitivity also increased by using magnetic field increasing, resistance of the galvanometer decreasing. These two is most important to increase the voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity anna, current sensitivity anna, current passing through the coil, current passing through the coil, current passing through the coil, then coil is deflect. Then coil is deflect. Next one. Last topic today class nana. This is figure of merit. Look here now. Last topic today nana. This is figure of merit now. Figure of merit. Figure of merit means figure of merit denoted by Fm is inversely proportional to current sensitivity. Simply, current sensitivity formula is theta by I. It reverses I by theta. Simply, figure of merit is I by theta. Units చెప్తారా? కరెంట్ కి యూనిట్స్ ఏంటి? ఆంపియర్. theta కి యూనిట్స్ ఏంటి? డివిజన్స్. ORR radians. Ampere by divisions, that is the unit of figure of merit. Figure of merit inversely proportional to current sensitivity. Figure of merit inversely proportional to okay, current sensitivity. Akshit 1 o'clock kalla update chestam. Inversely proportional to current sensitivity. Current sensitivity is theta by I. Okay na? It reverse I by theta. Figure of merit గుర్తుపట్టాలంటే యూనిట్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఆంపియర్ బై డివిజన్. నెక్స్ట్ నా what is the formula for tau bar? M bar cross B bar. This is the vector form of the torque. In this concept, here magnetic field makes an angle theta with normal to the plane of the coil. Here, in the situation, tau bar equal to here M bar right as N I A bar cross B bar. This is the formula for torque acting on the current carrying rectangular coil placed in uniform magnetic field.